Hello friends, this is a pick a card reading and the question is what makes you attractive? So again we have two options. First option you see this blue pen and the second option you see this red pen. So choose any one option. So let me begin with the first option, that is the blue one. So let's check out for my beautiful viewers. So let's see what makes you attractive. So we have a lot of cards. I am not taking that much. So what makes you attractive? Five of cups. What makes you attractive? I see six of cups twice in your reading. So you are kind of a person who is like deeply emotional, or there is a chances of you are a water sign because you have a like a soulmate connection with your near and dear ones. So that kinds of a strong connection, when people come into your contact, they definitely feel something solid or something like which is giving them the sense of knowingness, right? They feel that they know you already, right? Eight of Pentacles. So what makes you attractive? Ace of Pentacles. What makes you attractive? Four of Wands. What makes my beautiful viewers attractive? So we have a Knight of Cups. And the bottom of the deck, we have a Page of Pentacles. See, you are a deeply emotional person from inside. Five of Cups. You feel the emotions, each and everything very deeply, right? As compared to other people. So that is also make you vulnerable, sorry, right? So you are feeling like caring kind of energy that you do have, and that is like a attractive part of you because the way you feel the emotions and the love and the care and the kind nature that you have for others, that is like making you more attractive because you are kind of a person who is very nurturing according to others, right? And the second thing is Eight of Pentacle. Eight of Pentacle again representing that you are a workaholic, or if not that the case, you definitely a very hard working person. You put your lot of efforts, your hard work into your work environment, or whether it's relationship, you put your all the effort. So that is like a most attractive feature that you have. Ace of Pentacle. You also have a strong grounded nature, like you are a stable person from inside. You are very stable. You know how to make things positive in your life. You are very balanced, and this is like a new beginning. So you are always ready for the new beginnings, starting to start anything new. Sense of stability. People do feel the sense of stability with you, right? You are not kind of a person, you already very firm to take decisions in your life, right? And the Four of Wands, you are also very happy person, joyful person, right? That is making you more attractive because you put your 100%. If you are in a relationship, you are the more trustworthy loyal partner for your partner, right? You are the loyal person. You offer the stability in the connection. So that is representing here. that you provide the stable ground to your partner, the loyalty, you put the emotions, you put the efforts, hard work. Knight of cups, and you are like a very grounded person. That's why you are taking a small steps, you are not in a hurry, right? You take your time, you put your efforts in a very significant manner. And bottom of the deck, page of pentacle, you offer the stability to the another partner, but that is in a grounded way, balanced way. So that is like you also have a lot of inner strength. You have that amount of strength when you know when you have to cut people from your life. You know how to fight for the right things. If something is gonna wrong, you fight for the right things, right? So these are the some beautiful cards that you do have. So all these qualities make you unique and perfect because you are very grounded person. You know when to take action, you balance your emotions, you handle each and everything in a very balanced way. So let me pick out some more qualities for my beautiful pile number 1. So let's see. Attraction, beautiful physics, eyes, face, lips. So you also have a very beautiful eyes, face, lips, or beautiful physics, right? So you are very attractive. That qualities that you also have that make you more attractive. Mental trap, illusion, puzzle piece. So here I am not getting that you are trapped into the mental traps. I am getting that you are very much solid and you always take the right decision, right? You have the capability to always find the right thing, whatever the illusion, puzzles, confusion you have in your life. You definitely and every time you get the perfect solution for each and everything. So next we have attachment, signals, magnetic attraction. So definitely you are very attractive. Definitely a sense of attachment that people feel with you and some sort of a signals. So let's see the last card. Anger issues, destructive behavior, upset. Yeah, this is anger issues when you are sometimes you feel you are going through some anger issues when you are like feeling sad. The only one thing that makes you more attractive is like you are very kind, but at the same time, that much caring nature or emotional nature give you a lot of anxiety and become a reason of anger in your life, right? So these are the some qualities that you do have, and that is also a part of life, right? So let me move on to pile number 2. So if you choose pile number 2, so let's begin with your reading. So for my beautiful pile number 2, what makes you more attractive? So first we have the Queen of Cups. What makes you more attractive? Four of Wands. This card also pop out for pile number 1. What makes you more attractive? Nine of Swords. What makes you more attractive? Wow, beautiful card. Empress. What makes you Knight of Pentacles, one last card, Ace of Cups, and the bottom of the deck, Nine of Pentacles. So first of all, I want to start from the bottom of the deck, that is the Nine of Pentacles. So this card is like representing that you are very much independent kind of energy that you do have, right? So you are very much independent. You take care of each and everything in your life of your own. You basically don't need anyone to help you because you are totally perfect. You know how to handle your emotions, you know how to handle your financial situation, how to deal with others. So you are very much independent kind of energy that you are in. That's why you are a empress. So beautiful empress card is here, and the Queen of Cups. So these two beautiful cards also representing that you are in a high vibration, you are in your power, and you are like a very motherly kind of a energy, that you are taking care of others like a mother. And this is like a mother Gaia, that how you treat others, how you help others, you always ready to take care of others. You have a lot of creativity inside you, you are working upon your skills, you are gaining wisdom in your life, you are like in your power, you know how to create something, you know how to use your power, and you are a great manifester. Sometimes you do deal with some sort of anxiety, right? But that's okay, because it is also a phase of a life. So person never be happy for 24 hours, right? There is just some moments there when we are humans, right? We do feel the anxiety, we do feel the emotions, but most of the time you are in a high vibration. But yeah, sometimes you feel like this kind of a overthinking issues within you. And the thing is that what makes you more attractive, because you are very much independent kind of energy, you are in your power, you know your worth, you know your self-worth, you are working upon yourself, you providing your helping hands to others. So that nurturing kind of a nature behavior, whatever creative field that you are in, if you do any creative things, that makes you more attractive, right? And the Four of Wands, you have a lot of passion for your partner, for your work environment, and you are very joyful person. You make others happy in some sort of a way. Knight of Pentacle, you always take a slow and steady step. When you want something, when you want to offer something, you never rush for the things that you want. You always make a strategy, you always make a plan, and then you take a charge. Slow and steady movement that you do in your life, right? And the last card you have, Ace of Cups. So definitely you always ready for the new beginnings, that is full of love, right? So this is like a new beginning. You have a lot of creativity within you that you do want to nurture others. So these are the basic qualities that make you more attractive. So let me take few more cards for your what kind of a attractive behavior you have. So we have a lots of card here. So let me see. Multitasking, focus on multiple things all around, take care. So see, you are a multitasker, you handle multiple things at the same time, you take care of your friends and family members, try to fix everything back. You, if something is went wrong in a connection in your work environment, you always ready or try to fix each and everything again. So let's see next card, hoping for the best, waiting period. You also have a lot of patience within you, and you are always hoping for the best. So that makes you more attractive. You are a person who is like a full of positivity, planting seeds transformative. You always do a work of transformation for others. This is not for you. You make changes in the life of other people, right? You are like a transformative for your near and dear ones. You bring the changes in others life. Dark and light balance midway. So definitely whoever choose pile number 2, you are a very high vibrational person. You almost work upon yourself. You already win your lot of whatever the problems that you are going through before in your life. You overcome a lot of things in your life, and now you are very balanced, stable. You are in a high vibration, and you are manifesting or creating your own life. So that makes you so much attractive. Very high vibrational pile number 2, right? So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.